Let's ride. Let's ride. What up, Reno? I ain't rapping, though, you hear me? I'm just taking with mine. But look, every day I be rolling, flow. Yeah, you know the deal. And I ain't really on none, but I really be scoped. More than a meal. I been 2 or 3 for them, you and me. Rolling Seville. Cause in this world we in, I had to tighten my game. Oh, that's the chill. Now I feel a bit of urgency to get it. Yeah, you know the feel. When it's do or die, figure you should try. You didn't know the way, but hey, look, you survived. Contemplating on the road I'm taking, wasn't hesitating. More like scrutinizing, wasn't elevating. If I failed to take the right administration, now I too realize that I'm folding. I could've known. Yeah, that's the guy to me, I guess the mind can see. And I could've shown that process of time is something serious, ain't it? Know that you strong, and never take for granted what the risk you handed. Cause we not alone. I wanna send prayers up for you and some up for me and some up for them. That's some just to see if we can come together through the storm, and whether that's an elevator, set our conscience free. Compensation for the reparations, I'ma get a line and set my conscience free, and spend it infinitely into the universe until they come for me. If they come for me, then they treat me.
I'm a slave forever, they got me bit. I'm black and I'm a slave forever, they got me bit. I'm about to pull the ball, about to roll when I'm blind. About to pull the ball, about to roll when I'm blind.
Every day I be
I'm a slave forever, they got me bit. I'm black and I'm a slave forever, they got me bit. I'm about to pull the ball, about to roll when I'm blind. About to pull the ball, about to roll when I'm blind.
And even though I be cold, really holding on. I never lost my faith, I may have lost some weight, at least it's clearer now, I'm bad to the bone. Letting go of my dependencies to get a hint to see what really fuels the soul. Do the fusion dance with my higher self and reach a realization I should've known. Like, man, it's like, it's ever so superb. Like the name of God is ineffable, never know the words, but we work through it doing much things. Make a load of verb, cause he that believe it surely to proceed. Doing great or worse. And I'ma hold it down for greater or worse on my end. For the universal crusaders to my king. Lately I've been thanking the world for Miss Sade. I think she done found her way into my top 10. Every single action and movement that I do, I'ma try to make sure it's right there when I spin. Cypher keep moving, I listen to Badu. And mama, I be happy to tell you we're hot land. Yeah, Peninsula mate, Yucatan guys. At the Chichen Itza, her mate at the Coca complacement. Thinking like, man, they were tapped in. Where did that go? I think we're being detached, bro. I'm getting back to self through geocosmic, knowing from the micro to the macro, and they chill. They think
I'm black and I'm a slave forever, they got me bit. I'm about to pull the ball, about to roll when I'm blind. About to pull the ball, about to roll when I'm blind.
every day I be
I'm a slave forever, they got me bit. I'm black and I'm a slave forever, they got me bit. I'm about to pull the ball, about to roll when I'm blind. About to pull the ball, about to roll when I'm blind.
every day I be rolling. Yeah, you know the deal. And even though I be talking, really holding on.
Push.